This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So if you're trying to send any voice message but you are facing issues, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. First of all, go to your phone settings and scroll down. Tap on apps. And here scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. And tap on permissions. Tap on microphone. And here make sure to select allow. And tap on back. And now tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Once you delete it, now go to your Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you see any update available, then update your WhatsApp app from here. And now launch the WhatsApp app, and you have to relog into your WhatsApp account. So give your mobile number and log into your account, and hope the solution will fix WhatsApp message problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.